Hello, Sudoku friends. Yes, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, March the 5th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus, but first we will solve these two regular Sudokus. And today is the first week of the month, so we have a speed test. Yes, a speed test. Before I start, this will be a number 2421. Yes, and I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square has 4 printed digits, so 4 times 9 is 36 printed digits. Alright, speed test, let's get started. Alright, 7, 7, so here should be a 7. 7, 7, here should be a 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, here 7. 5, 5, 5, here 5, 5, 5, here 5, 5, 5, here 5, 5, 5, 5 here 5. Then the 8, 8, 8. The 9, the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, oh, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, should be a 9 here, 9, 9, 9, how about the 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, come on. The 3 then, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and a 1, 1 and the 6 is missing. Wow, 1, 1, 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 8, 8, 8, here and 8. 1 and the 6 is missing. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4. Alright, here should be a 1, 1. This should be a 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 1. The 9 is missing. 9 and 3, yes, and the final two numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and an 8. No, 6 and an 8, and there should be an 8. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku Light. I like this one. Very quick to solve. You need to train your brain for the speed once a while, so I do it in the first week of the month, 3 minutes, and I've solved this baby. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. How heavy, I do not know. We will see. So see you then. Bye bye for now.